quenching, that means rapid cooling, when we are going in water, we have three phases. The first phase is a steam phase. The material comes into water, surface temperature, remember the film, 860, 880, put it in water. At the beginning, we have steam on the surface, and steam is very good for isolating. You know the drop on the hearth plate. If you have a water drop on the hearth plate, at the beginning you have steam between the hearth plate and the water drop, and it's dancing around the hearth plate. So you have the same effect with quenching a generator in water or a turbine. After a while, the pressure is high enough and the temperature becomes lower, so the steam phase is destroyed. Then we have water in direct contact with the surface of the workpiece, and there starts boiling. And boiling needs a lot of energy. So at this time, the cooling rate becomes very, very fast. And at the end, if we are below 100 centigrades, water is cooking at 100 centigrades, we have convection. There's just cold water along the surface.